Okay, so the sort of end result of day 2 then. I'd already done these guys and the 250 at the back, so I managed to finish my mortar, spotter, 2 infantry sections, and my commander and his sort of driver, his runner. And then also at the back you can see I finished my Puma and my Marder, and my Marder especially I'm very happy with. I think it looks really cool and really good. I sort of tried to focus more on the front sides rather than bothering weathering the back, because obviously I think he's meant to sort of sit at distance. He's a tank hunter, so I think it's more of the ambush role rather than being up front. The recce vehicles, I've got 2 of them, sort of weathered them up quite more, tried to give them more camouflage. They're out in the elements a lot more, and yeah, I'm trying to do 1 vehicle per 1 section. So today I'm going to get my last section of infantry done that I want to do, and my Stug. I've got another section of infantry that I can do, but I can't ever see myself playing a game where I have 5 infantry sections, but they're in the back burner. So for this project I'll get 4 done, and then still, as you can see, the background's the tiger sitting majestically up on the hill, or the paint pots. And then I've got verbal wind. I've still got my 4 Hannah Mag and a Panzer IV to do. Basically, I've got a Patriot airbrush and I'm really shit with it. I can't get it to work properly ever. I bought a really good compressor, still can't get it to work. So my airbrushing, as you can see, it comes out shocking. So I've given up with it. I'm going to leave them as they are. This one's really, I've done a really rushed crap paint job, but I almost quite like it. Somebody's gone along with a brush and just swiped some lines on it, but it's all irrelevant because it's going to get whitewashed up heavily. So I just want to be able to see like sort of patches of camouflage through it, and once it's had a wash on it all, it should look good. But I'll also do a video of how I weather vehicles when I get onto the Hannah Mags. So I think that should be a bit easier than doing tanks. Yep, all right, thanks for watching, and I'll sure I'll post another one once I've completed some more. Cheers.